The 5 F's that will keep you broke and how to avoid them. Life can be seen as many things, and life can be understood in numerous ways. Depending on how much knowledge and information you have acquired over the years, the amount of experiences you've had, and your ability to understand, the meaning of life is proper to every person and is guaranteed to differ as you get older. Nothing happens until actions are taken. Therefore, you can't sit around waiting for success to happen. You have to make it come to you. Contrary to popular belief, success starts with you. It is the growth of a mustard seed over time. In other words, a byproduct of discipline, hard work, dedication, nutrition, learning, networking, and a little bit of luck. Contrary to popular belief, we are responsible for nearly everything happening in our lives, including being the cause of our misfortunes and being the force behind our successes. In fact, if we were to take a deeper and more honest look at our lives thus far, we will quickly realize that our decisions and mindsets are the causes behind the kinds of lives we have today. Dear future entrepreneurs and moguls, here are 5 of the F's that will keep you broke and unsuccessful if you are not careful. Number 1. Failure. Everyone wants to always succeed. No one ever wants to fail. The fear of failure in people can be so strong that they are willing to do everything in their powers to avoid failure. The insecurity about doing things incorrectly causes many people to unconsciously sabotage their chances for success. Experiencing failure and reflecting on it can only help you in your business in future efforts, as you have more experience and knowledge about how to better position yourself in the market and what products or services are wanted by your clientele. Number 2. Friends. You shouldn't do business with friends for the same reason it's generally thought as a bad idea to go into business with family or have a relationship with someone you work with. Running a business can be quite stressful at times, will invoke passion, and will require the CEO to be very decisive. When your actions or decisions do not match with that of your business partners, problems start to form. Furthermore, the stakes are so much higher as you risk ruining your relationship with them if something goes bad. Moreover, the chances of things escalating quite quickly and becoming violent are increased dramatically by the amount of personal knowledge you have about each other. Number 3. Family. You shouldn't do business with family for the same reason it's generally thought of as a bad idea to go into business with friends or have a relationship with someone you work with. Running a business can be quite stressful at times, will invoke passion, and will require the CEO to be very decisive. When your actions or decisions do not match with that of your business partners, problems start to form. The biggest problem with working with family is that you don't have the same leverage you would have with other colleagues. You are unlikely to put your foot down for a lot of things. Moreover, everyone is more likely weighed by the fact that you could cause problems in the relationship or the family. Number 4. Fun. Mixing business and pleasure can lead to conflicts of interest and betrayal of trust, as a disagreement between you and the co-workers you've befriended can create conflict in both your office life and personal life. People who mix business with pleasure have a high performance degradation rate than people who don't do it. Flirting in the office is the most common form of result for mixing business with pleasure. This typically happens when colleagues grow over-friendly with other colleagues of the opposite sex, thus leading to unwanted disputes, jealousy, envy, anger, harassment, and etc. In other words, creating a toxic work environment and giving your business a bad reputation. Number 5. Following. There is nothing wrong with being a follower, especially if the group operates well with you being in that position. However, if the team is better off with you as a leader, then being a follower is putting the group at a disadvantage. Following trends can be a waste of time and money, as trends constantly come and go while you are doing your best to keep up with them. On the other hand, studying and exploiting trends is something that should be done, as they indicate where the fortune is at the moment and what are the tendencies of your potential customers. On a personal level, avoiding trends can save you lots of money rather than bankrupting yourself with yet another dumb purchase. In conclusion, we are responsible for nearly everything happening in our lives, including being the cause of our misfortunes and being the force behind our successes. In fact, if we were to take a deeper and more honest look at our lives thus far, we will quickly realize that our decisions and mindset are the causes behind the kinds of lives we have today. The end. Thank you.